Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 14th January 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, you should not look at anyone's body. Consider yourselves to be souls and don't look at anyone's body. Question. To which two special aspects should each of you Brahman children pay attention? Answer. This study and the divine virtues. Whereas some children don't have the slightest anger, others have so much anger that they fight a great deal. You children should be concerned about imbibing divine virtues and becoming deities. Do not speak angrily to anyone. Baba says, the children who have anger within them are like lords and ladies of evil spirits. You must not talk to anyone who has such evil spirits. Song is, My fortune having awakened, I have come. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. Churn this knowledge and remain in supersensuous joy. Do not talk to anyone in a rough way. Move away from anyone who speaks to you in anger. Number 2. In order to become an heir of God, first make Him your heir. Become sensible and finish all your attachment by giving everything that belongs to you to the Father. Have mercy for yourself. Blessing for today. May you become an Avyakt angel, like the Father by giving Sakash to all souls while in your highest stage and as a detached observer. Details are: constantly consider yourself to be an incorporeal soul and, while walking and moving around and performing actions, consider yourself to be an Avyakt angel and you will continue to fly up above. An angel is someone who stays in the highest stage. No matter what continues to happen in this physical world, be a detached observer and continue to observe everyone's part and continue to give them Sakash. You cannot give Sakash by getting off your seat. Remain stable in the highest stage and, with the help of your attitude and drishti, give the Sakash of benevolence, not while in a mixed state of mind. Only then will you be able to remain safe in any type of atmosphere and receive the blessing of becoming an Avyakt angel like the Father. Slogan is, with the power of remembrance, transform sorrow into happiness and peacelessness into peace. Om Shanti.